Back to my channel. So today I just want to do a quick little tutorial on how I actually remove the labels from my Dollar Tree jars. Now I need to remove the labels from about 30 jars because the centerpieces I'm going to use, I need to use multiple jars. So it will take a lot of time for me to try and sit and pick all the labels off each jar. And with me having to do so many, I was like, let me figure out a way to get all these labels off pretty quickly. So I already did a few right here, but I have a couple more that I'm just going to show you what I do. Pretty easy. You guys might have your own technique on what you do, but I have a cookie sheet. Let me move my camera so you guys can see better. I have my cookie sheet, and I just take some water, put on the cookie sheet. You don't need that much. And then I take my dish detergent. I mean, this is what I'm using. You can use any brand, it doesn't matter. And just pour, some in there. And then take your jar that has your label on the bottom and just sit it in the cookie tray. And my tray, I can fit a few jars all at once. So this cookie tray, I could fit about 6 jars. Like I did 4 already. So you do this, and then you let it sit for, just a few minutes, not that long, just enough so that it can soak into the label to make it easier to remove. So for me, it only takes, like I said, just a few minutes. So I'll give it a few minutes here, and I'll just show you how easy it is to remove the labels by doing this. Alright, you guys, so it's only been about maybe 3 minutes, if that. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove these labels from all these jars. Actually, let me get some paper towel. Forgot to tell you guys about that step. So, trying to show you guys. It just peels right off, that easy. And then once I have my jar, I just take my paper towel and just dry the bottom of it with a few wipes. That's the next one. This is so easy, you guys. So, like I said, I have about 30 of these. Actually, I think I have a lot more to do. I'm trying to do these special centerpieces for the theme I have planned. I can't say. You guys have to check back after Christmas, or actually Christmas. Maybe I'll go ahead and upload the video at Christmas when I want to show you guys a surprise theme I'm doing for my family. They have no clue. And I think they'll be surprised what I come up with. Last year we did a red and gold theme. You guys have to check that video out to see our theme for Christmas last year. It was really cute. So that's it, you guys. I'm all done, and I only have a few more to do. Actually, I have a lot more to do, but it's going to be so easy using this step. So again, you just need some warm water, a cookie tray, and your dish detergent, and whatever jars you're using that have the labels on the bottom. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this, and I will talk to you in the next one. Happy holidays, you guys. Bye bye.